everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. Today's video is all about part 2 of my braces, and it includes updates on my braces, like what I've been going through from my first video when I spoke to you about. So without any further ado, I'm just gonna jump right into the video and let's get this video started right now.
We know how this will go.
Okay, starting off with updates, I applied my braces on the 25th of February this year, 2021, and it's been 2 months since I'm wearing braces. What happened 3 to 4 days later, my top teeth started to shift. It shifted really quickly and it kind of like hurt because it was like pressing and pressing. So I went on the 4th day after wearing braces to get my tightening done. So what I did was they just tightened it, cut a little bit of the wire off, and then I was good to go. After 1 month later, they removed the wire, they replaced a new wire, tightened it. Mine is a white color wire that flushes together with my braces so it doesn't look so obvious. As you know, I have 2 extractions on top. To pull the 2 teeth together, they had to attach that rubber band so it gradually pushes and pulls and pulls and pulls the teeth together and closes up the gap. I will try to put a photo and show you guys the elastic band that they will use to actually hook on your braces to pull in the gap. My tooth shifted. It's super obvious right here. You can see right here? Yeah. There's a gap. I couldn't eat for like 3 weeks. It's like porridge, soup, soft food. You can barely chew on anything. It's because it is like super tight. After 2 weeks, the pain will start to subside. Then you can start eating like a little bit of like chicken and all that. So what makes it easier for me to drink cold water, coffee on a day-to-day basis, what I do is I just use a disposable straw, 1 straw like this. I'll just like cut it in half and use half first and then half. Because when I got my braces on, sensitivity level was through the roof. I couldn't drink cold water, even coffee had a little bit of that sensation going in my mouth. It was super uncomfortable. So straw helped a lot. So how I manage my pain is I take Panadol Extra or I take this Nurofen Express tablet. This is actually really good for dental pain. I just pop 1 pill in the morning and 1 pill at night before I go to sleep, and then it helps with the pain. Why you have braces cuts? Okay, the doctor already advised me that it will take at least 6 months for your mouth to get used to the braces. It's because your upper lip is trying to get used to the extra layer that you have on your teeth, which is the braces. And the braces has a little poking things out, so when you are actually moving up and down and talking, it scratches and it will start to swell up. Can you see right over here? The doctor will give you wax. Okay, it comes like this. So I have a tweezer. I'll just plug it out a bit. You pull it out because you want to keep the wax clean, and then you like smash it like a bit soft for you to apply on your braces right there, and then you apply on your individual braces. So that will help for the braces cut, because when you have braces cut, if you drink anything gassy or eat anything spicy, it will burn. This is the best one I can recommend you guys. It's called Soro Gel. You can get this in any pharmacy. This is like antiseptic pain relieving gel. I like to apply it with a Q-tip. So what I do is take a Q-tip, I take a little bit, okay, I'll put it at the back of my hand. Make sure you wash your hand. The gel is like transparent, guys. When you apply the gel on the infected area, it will tingle a little bit, but it only take about 5 to 6 seconds. So you just like that, lift up, and you just draw it like that. The same thing how you disinfect a wound, but you're disinfecting a wound in your mouth. Something that I struggle with on a daily basis. It is super uncomfortable to talk and smile. Pronunciation may go off. Like sometimes I can't pronounce a word properly. Sometimes I smile, my upper lip just goes right on top of my braces, and I have to like a fish. It can be a little bit uncomfortable when you're going out with friends and you want to smile, but you smile too much, and then we ended up like looking like, because you're trying to readjust. That's one thing that I truly hate. So after applying braces, you definitely have to go for a 3 months checkup for your gums. I'm coming up with my 3 months checkup for my gums, just to check whether my gums is good condition, because I've seen a lot of people when they have braces, suddenly the doctor will say that, okay, your gums are not healthy, you got to remove your braces. And that is literally very, very common. So having a 3 months monthly gum checkup is very important, especially when you have braces. It's because your teeth is constantly moving, and that can cause a lot of bacteria to go in without you knowing. Even though you don't have braces, have at least a 6 months once checkup on your gum and gum status or teeth status and all that to prevent any future problem. So I already mentioned in my first video, pricing for my clinic for a tonsil specialist dentistry is very expensive. But I can tell my pricing can be different from your pricing. For the pricing of the intensive deep cleaning process, like the 1 quarter, 2, 3 and 4, each quarter is $700. So I had to go through 4 cleanings. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Total that cost about 2.8k SGD. So my braces cost 6.2k. Why? It's because mine is ceramic braces. It's literally a transparent braces. So you see, it's like transparent. I didn't want metal braces. If you guys have metal braces, comment down below. I've heard that metal braces, you go through more cuts because it's metal. So I don't know, you guys let me know, full braces metal, how does it feel? So I went for a ceramic because my image matters. I already with ceramic already, I felt so uncomfortable smiling. I just imagine if I can smile and everything is like super visible, I'm like, nope. Okay, so it cost 6.2k. Then the deposit I had to deposit down was 1.6k, and that's the one deposit you deposit down, and that's it. And then every month you go for your tightening checkup. You pay a monthly of $150 monthly until you pay finished. Yeah guys, I think this is it for braces part 2 video. Part 3 will be coming up with the cleaning process. I didn't want to put that in today's videos because I don't want the video to be too long and bore you guys out. So do follow me in Instagram. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.